day to all of you, Jack of all at your service. In this video, I will show you what a drawer slide looks like. So, here's it. This is the cheapest that I can buy from a hardware store. The brand is Creston. It is a ball bearing type, 3-fold, full extension and soft close from Creston. Okay, so it costs about 6, 7, 8. Costs about more or less $8, $8 US. In pesos, it is cost about 380 Philippine peso. Okay, let's try to unpack this drawer slide to see what's inside. Okay. Okay, let's be careful because screws are included in this drawer slide set. Okay, so it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It comes with 10 flathead screws to be utilized by our drawer slide. So to be utilized by our drawer slides. Okay, and here's our soft close ball bearing full extension drawer slide. So full extension means you can take out the entire drawer box from this unit. So full extension. The ball bearing, then this is some sort of spring at the back for soft close function. Okay, same with the other one. So when you purchase a drawer slide, it always comes with a pair, of course, or it always comes with pair. It. So spring at the back for soft close function. Then so the smallest part is the one to be attached in our drawer box. Then this big part or two sliding part is to be attached in our cabinet. Okay, let's try to disconnect this one by clicking this trigger, these black triggers. Click it and pull so that we can detach. So this part again, this part is connected to our cabinet, and this part should be attached in our drawer box. Okay, being this part at the front of our drawer and this is at the back of the drawer. Also in our cabinet, this part should be placed at the back and this part should be placed at the front. to connect it, just slide it again like this. Okay, also we have to check the other one if it's functioning well. Trigger. Okay. Looks well. Okay. So, okay, let's try to measure what is the thickness of this drawer slide. So, typically, the thickness of our drawer slide should be somewhere 1 inch total. So 1 inch total typically. So typically we will have a measure of 1 inch total length of our drawer slide. So that's it. So again, here is our full extension ball bearing type 3-fold drawer slide by Creston. Thank you for watching this video.